Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and you guys don't forget to like this video, okay? So let's go ahead and make these delicious red beans and rice in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so getting started, I have this turkey sausage that I purchased from Sam's Club. It came in a 2-pack, so I'm really cool with that. So I'm just going to cut those up into pieces. And I'm just slicing these down into round pieces. Some of them I will cut in half, just because some of my kids don't like sausages, but they'll eat them if they're in smaller pieces. Alright, so adding them to a pan, I added some olive oil. This is a pot, okay? I added the olive oil to the pot first, and then I'm just going to go ahead and let those brown while I cut up my veggies. So I'm adding in some red bell peppers and also some green bell peppers, and then I have a sweet onion as well. So I'm just going to chop those into smaller bite-sized pieces. Okay, so I like my beans flavorful. I did let them brown because I like my meat to be brown and a little crispy. And I am not going to scrape that from the bottom until I add these onions and my veggies in here to let them cook down. And then I'm going to scrape all of that down from the bottom. That is pure seasoning, pure flavor, you guys. So do make sure that you're letting your veggies get coated. Was what's at the bottom of the pot from the turkey sausage or whatever meat that you're cooking. Okay, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter, and then I'm going to just go ahead and mix my veggies up with that butter just to let it cook down. And then I'll start adding my beans to the pan, to the pot, to the pan. It's to the pot. This is 1 can of chicken broth. You can use whatever broth you want, bone broth, beef broth, but I like to use chicken broth, vegetable broth, whatever. So I am adding in some seasoning, some paprika, some black pepper, some parsley flakes, some Cajun seasoning, and some cayenne pepper. And then I added some Italian seasoning as well because that's my favorite seasoning to use. And I also added in some chili powder in the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and stir that up, and then I'm going to add in beans. So I am using some red kidney beans. You guys, you can just use red beans. Of course, they are different, but I like to use red kidney beans. Okay, so letting the beans come to a boil. Once they do, I let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then I added in my cooked smoked sausages, and then you can add in whatever meat that you choose to add in. So I am going to stir that up and scrape the bottom once more, and then I will cover it and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. You guys, the longer you let it simmer, the thicker your sauce will become. Alright, so that was 20 minutes of simmering, and now they are just about ready to eat. Alright, so I am serving my beans with some rice. I used one of those pouches of rice that you pop in a microwave for 90 seconds because I was being lazy. And here they are, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see y'all next time.